Satay Tofu and vegetable stir fry. Prepare the ingredients. Peel and slice 3 garlic cloves, slice the whites and greens of 2 scallions, thinly slice 1 red pepper, cut 1 carrot in half lengthways, then slice on a diagonal. Cut the base off 1 bok choy, cut the leaves off the bok choy stems, cut the bok choy stems into strips. Roughly chop the leaves of the bok choy. Cut the florets off a small broccoli. Thinly slice 200 grams of firm tofu. Cut 1 lemon in half. Heat a wok on a high heat. Add the tofu strips. Cook until brown on both sides. Then remove from the pan. Add a little vegetable stock. Add the scallions and garlic and stir fry for a minute. Add the red peppers, add the carrots, add the bok choy and the broccoli and stir fry for a minute. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock, add half a cup of sweet chili sauce, add 1 cup of peanut butter and mix well to dissolve the peanut butter. Add the tofu and mix well. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon and mix well. Add the bok choy leaves and mix well. Add salt and pepper to taste. Stir well and serve with some cooked brown rice.